Mr. Kane. Doo-doo. Pretty. 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 Pretty.
You got in your truck?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
You got a truck, Mom.
I was just like yelling at him. I'm like, dude, I'm high.
It's
I'm high right now.
okay.
Oh my god.
Jump in it. Open it up, boy, at least.
Let me get on that side.
Damn, you lost the keys already?
I'm smiling. I'm big. I have no my teeth in. I'm high. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
The bells and
It's a
whistles.
big truck, Mom. This ain't your small little pickup.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
You'll never have an excuse for camping again.
Did you show Papa?
He's coming.
Is he coming over?
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh my god.
Smooth.
Spence, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Anything to say, Mr. King?
My mom finally got a better car. Thank you, Mr. Pichon. Gracias. She used her congratulations.
I have no words. Thank you guys, thank you. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
I tried not to cry.
All right, Mr. Pichon.
We're gonna get
Gracias.
Yes, sir.
Jesus, gracias.
Thank you guys. Oh my god, baby.
Yep. Then we're just waiting on Papa.
Oh my god, did you tell him that you got it?
Yep. And he says the deal, even for the miles, is a good car. He says there's no need to worry. They last up to 300,000.
Thank you. Oh my god, baby.
Oh, you want to take a drive?
Yes.
Oh, another time. Another time. It's just,
Baby.
yep,
So what are the payments a month?
it's all paid.
So we can sell that car.
Yes, I want you to spend the last few years with your grandfather doing camping, doing things right. And I know.
We'll drive just
Try around with me.
No. Does it split?
I believe so.
Yeah. Where's Spence? Ooh, you see her? Is that why you went down there to get this?
Yeah, it was a byproduct of the one down there. It was a byproduct. And don't worry, Mom. If there's gonna be engine or transmission problems, we'll get a loan both together and we'll both kill it somehow. Don't even worry about the miles. The point is you got a truck, big, reliable.
I was so shocked. I was so shocked. I was just like,
It'll be a good deal. That's why I told you. You said yes originally.
8,000.
7,800. Plus state tax, maybe another 800, 8,600. You buy a truck like this, 13,000 plus another 1,300 plus it would have been 16,000 just to get a truck from a dealership. The same miles. There he is.
Oh.
There he is. I barely figured it out.
There.
Go out there, tell him.
I want you to get up and see inside.
Well, remember, I've seen these. This is a 2009.
I can't drive too far because I just got high, so I was just gonna go around the block.
This is 2013. You don't have to worry.
Yeah, come on. Come on, baby. You gotta give me room here.
Look over there, Spence.
Everything works on it. No transmission issue, no nothing. I told my mom, do not worry about the miles. If something happens, we'll get along. We'll fix it together.
It's not that bad a mileage.
It isn't.
My truck was over 230 by 91.
I know, but when you start getting up into the 200 range, that's when you start.
Well, that's what they say, but
issues.
that used to be the deal. But
That's
now,
different now.
200 something,
That's normal.
I don't worry about it. Go ahead and drive around the block. I'll take some pictures when you get back.
Okay.
You got your truck.
I got a track. Yeah, I will keep it nice and clean. There's gonna be no kids eating or drinking in here.
Yeah.
Georgia.
Huh?
Somebody Georgia.
Somebody doored me. Oh,
We'll fix
that's
that.
good luck.
That's just.
Hey, if we're gonna go in the mountains, there's gonna be little dings. If that's what
That's
she's gonna
right.
use it for.
Yeah,
That's
not
right.
Stuff like this. That's just.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Mine, I have to pull forward. It's old. Who tells you the transmission?
Yeah, because especially when you tow stuff, that's why it's there.
See, I'm gonna have to learn all that stuff. Can you move that? Oh, wait.
Yes, you can. I haven't figured it out too much, Mom, but
Look at this.
so it was brand new. It does really well on the highway too. You can test that out tomorrow if you want. Yeah.
I should get used to the size again, but that's no big. Remember, I used to drive John Fargo.
Yep.
Used to take Papa's dog.
Remember, I just drove this 4.5 hours. It's certified, Mom. We'll work together to pay down the debt. But for right now, you should have no issue to go camping.
Now we just gotta sell that sucker and put it into that right there. And I gotta see what's in the
It won't be that much, I guarantee.
Check for aid parking.
You got back up.
I got a backup camera.
That might take some time to get used to, though.
Yeah, I hit a rock even with a backup camera, so.
Yep.
What's that?
That's okay.
You gotta tell me what stuff's okay and what's not. It's been a while.
There you go. You're welcome.
And here I'm being all like, oh my keys for him, boy.
Yep.
This is so worth it.
Inspecting. Mom's still trying to figure out her car.
Trailer brake.
That's an EcoBoost V6. You get better mileage.
The small one, yeah. It's a 3.5 instead of the 4 or the 5. The 4.6 and then the 5.4. But it had plenty of power, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
No, that's what I was telling you on these newer ones.
Like I said, even with Mom's driving habits, it's going to be a long time before something goes wrong with the engine or transmission. I'm not even worried. She doesn't drive that much, but it's a nice tool when you decide to go to the mountains.
No, that's weird.
What?
Secondary radiator. Got a radiator there. Trans cooler and another radiator.
That's probably because of it's meant for towing.
Yeah.
Everything needs to keep cool.
I saw the tow package on it.
It has a tow package, yep.
Yeah.
And look, the front has. You see those?
Yeah. Yeah, it would come with that. It's got a block heater
There you go.
for in the wintertime.
Hey, Mom.
Sink my phone in here.
This has 2 radiators.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's meant for more optimal cooling. That's why it's meant to tow.
Good job, son.
It's a clean looking car.
Both of them.
There you go.
Let's see, it's got the 4 plug and then the 6 plug.
It's roomy back here.
Well, what does Mama think?
Oh, I cannot believe you bought me a car.
Nope. My turn to help you out.
Oh my god. Nuts.
And I believe you can unlock the car using these. You can make a digital lock.
Yeah.
You can make a digital lock. I don't know how to do that, but
It's sort of a pain in the butt, but as long as you got the keys with the fobs on them, yeah.
They gave you one key with a fob.
there should be a way to program them.
Oh, the ballet key.
Mm-hmm.
Well, then it'll
That's
cost.
pretty much what they do now, unless you pay extra for the extra fob.
Well, this looks pretty nice.
Look at that, Mom. You can pull pop out of the.
I took pictures of yours.
That's where you hook up.
Cleaned. Needs to be cleaned, detailed, sent down the road.
No,
What year is it?
2010.
Yep.
2010.
Surprises today.
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Okay. Come with me. Ready? Can you see it?
You got a new truck?
Kane bought me a truck.
That's awesome.
An F-150.
Damn, dude, you're gonna rule the road.
It's a 4x, it's a towing one. It's got like all the tow stuff already like installed in it and everything. It's amazing.
That's awesome.
I'm so happy.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna sit down and take
Yeah?
it. Mom's car, you don't see it?
Mom's car?
Yeah.
Where?
Well, she got a new one.
Where?
Right there, that big old truck right there.
You did?
That one.
Look at that big old truck right there, that big red one.
You did?
That's my car.
Oh, that's crazy.
Watch out, babe.
I have my beautiful Malaya. What do you think?
Nice.
Wait till you see the inside.
So cute.
I do like that.